Hello, crypto world. Wednesday afternoon and the stock market just closed, and I'm calling it Powell Wednesday. Fed met. They announced no interest rate cut. Nobody was surprised with that. However, the markets interpreted his words to reduce the probability of an interest rate cut in September. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures market had a 63% probability, meaning most thought it was likely, that the Fed would cut in September. As he was speaking, this dropped down to 45%, which suggests the markets don't anticipate a cut even in September. And we also had big tech earnings. META, it was trading at $6.95 before its earnings came out, and then it jumped with the positive earning report up almost $60. It's $759 at the moment. And Microsoft similarly was trading at $513, and after they reported their earnings, it went up $32, trading $545 at the moment. And when we jump to crypto, we see crypto basically down slightly, nothing dramatic. And interestingly, during Powell's speech, when it became evident there'd be no interest rate cut in September, or a low probability of one, Ethereum was down 2%. But then as the equity market basically rallied while it was down not significantly, same thing happened with Ethereum. It rallied up. So the markets are okay, apparently, with the notion that there won't be any cut in September. And I personally believe that's because they feel that this is because the economy is strong and the employment is also strong. Now, we in crypto were also waiting for the digital asset report. Well, it came out, it was 169 pages, so the commentary hasn't studied it carefully yet. But a couple of things. Number one, they made a big point about they want Americans to be sure that they're reporting all their crypto taxes, and they shouldn't be able to avoid reporting taxes by trading or doing something in foreign exchange. So that was a big part of the report. Bottom line, number one, from my perspective, I'm a little disappointed that the 168 pages didn't have more important positive things for crypto, in particular saying that the United States would buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and put it on its balance sheet. And I have to say, Chairman Powell's articulation of the fact that it wasn't certain that they were going to lower rates in September was greeted relatively well, considering most market participants believed that that was what was going to happen. And so while crypto's down, it's not down radically. So let's see how the day plays out as they finish digesting Powell's testimony and the Microsoft and Meta earnings and the 168 pages of the crypto report, which so far doesn't seem to have any major items that would change anything.